Hello everyone. In this video we will implement the registration and login using Firebase with ReactJS. Okay, we will use React with the Firebase to implement authentication. First of all, we will implement the register. Okay, to register a user, then we will implement the login functionality. So first of all, we will configure the Firebase. Okay, how to create a project inside the Firebase and how to use that. Okay, let's move to the firebase.google.com. Open this website. After opening it, so if you didn't create account, so just sign up with your Google account. So let's get started. Okay, let's move to console. Okay, press this go to console. We will move to the console or dashboard because I have already logged in. So this area this dashboard, the console will open for you. Okay, after that let's create a new project. Okay, just press simply this add project button. So assign a name to your project. Okay, for example, authentication. So okay, authentication, this name has assigned. Let's press continue. So after that it says, would you like to enable Google Analytics? So we don't need that. Okay, I will turn off it, then create project. So it will create a project. Let's just wait for it. So the project has been created. Okay, let's press continue button. So it will open that project right now to us. Okay, so after opening the project, coming here, let's now move to this left sidebar. Okay, in the sidebar, press this under the build, you will find this authentication. Okay, press the authentication. So after authentication it will open. Wait, just wait. Okay, so now here in authentication page, here we will press this get started. Okay, press this get started button. So after you will see this page. Okay, here we will select email and password because we would like to perform authentication using email and password. You can turn on like authentication based on phone, Google, Game Center, Facebook, Apple, Twitter, whatever you want. Okay, so you can turn on that, but we will just select the email and password. So after selecting it, just enable it. Okay, after enabling it, so let's save it. Yeah, that has saved. So now whenever that has saved, so now here at the top are the setting. Okay, see the right side of a project overview, this setting gear icon. Okay, so just press this one. Here we will move to project setting. So let's move to the project setting. So after clicking that, coming to the project setting, here we will move to down. Okay, and here we will click this code icon. Okay, this one, see this code icon. So after pressing this icon, so let's assign a name to our app. Okay, so let's assign a name. For example, auth. Okay, just auth. I will assign just auth. Okay, and also set up Firebase hosting for this. No, we don't need hosting. Let's press register app. Yeah, use npm. So this is our we will use npm. Okay, so first of all we will install the Firebase in our React app. Okay, so after installing the React app, then simply we will copy all this code. Okay, this code that you see. Okay, simply copy this code and we will paste it in a firebase.js file. Okay, we will create a new file by the name of for example firebase.js, and we will copy paste this code inside that. Okay, so let's first of all install Firebase. Copy this, just come here and let's move to the terminal. cd client. So here I will install that. Okay, Control V, npm install Firebase. So the Firebase has been installed. Okay, so after installing that, now let's create firebase.js file. Firebase.jsx file. So after creating it, now let's copy that code. Okay, so let's close the terminal. Let's move to Firebase and I will copy this code. Okay, after copying the code, just paste the code here. So after pasting it the code, now let's export it. Okay, so let's export. Control Z, export. const app. Okay, I have exported the app. Okay, so after exporting it, now we will use this app. Let's create a sign up forum first of all. Okay, just come here, and here we will create sign up forum.jsx. Now we will design a forum, so let's do it. Okay, RFC Control Z. So I will remove this code. I will assign a class name, assign up container. So after that we will have a forum. So in the forum I will add a class name, sign up forum. Then we will have h2, and this is for sign up, and after that a label that is for email, input, type text, and then we will create another label which is for password, and password, input field, password. After that we will have a button for submit, or we can say sign up, and finally at the end we will have a p tag. Inside that don't have account, already registered login. Here we will have a link for login to move to the login. So now I will add the CSS code to this sign up forum. So I have added this CSS code. Okay, sign up container, sign up forum, and h2, and these are for the label and input fields and for the button. Okay, so now let's import it inside the sign up forum. Import .style.css. So after importing it, now let's import it inside the app.jsx. Let's check it now. So this is the sign up forum. Okay, how it looks like. Okay, so now let's we will add the routing also. Okay, so it means that whenever we press this login, we should move directly to the login. If we press the logout, then we will the sign up, then we will come to the sign up. Let's implement the React Router DOM. Okay, for the routing. So if you didn't install the React Router DOM, so simply install it. Okay, let's check it. This is okay, React Router DOM, npm install React Router DOM. So after installing it, we will import it. Import browser router routes and route from React Router DOM. So after that we will use them. Browser router routes. Inside route we will define a route, and the route has two properties. This is for slash, we will move directly to the, or let's make it sign up, and this is for element is okay, element. Second one is element is equal to where we will add the sign up. Okay, we will move directly to the sign up. Control S, save it. Let's close it. Also let's make the design for login forum also. Okay, so let's create another forum, login.jsx. So we will have the same design as we have for the login. For the instead of login, right now I will just write fce. Okay, just like this. Okay, so let's add the route. Shift Alt Home, and this is for login that has imported, and this is for login. So now let's move to the browser. If we move to /sign up, okay, we will come here directly to the sign up route. Why not? Sign up, Control C it. Okay, this is routes, not route. Okay, routes. That's okay. Now save it. Now it looks like this. Okay, whenever we press this login, we should move to the login component. So for that, come here to the sign up, and here I will add a BR tag. Okay, and this is a link with us, not a tag. We will use React Outer DOM link, and 2 is equal to, we will move to login. Let's save it and let's check it now. See, let's press the login. See, we directly came to the login. Now let's add the properties. Okay, in the sign up form, whenever we write something in this input field, we should store them. Okay, is somewhere in a variable. So let's first of all create variables. Const email set email is equal to use state, an empty string, and const for the password also set password. And now let's store the value inside these variables. So let's add onChange event. onChange, we will just create an arrow function. We will just call set email. We will call e.target.value. So it means that whenever we are writing something in this input field, it will be stored inside the email. And same to this, we will create one function for password also. Instead of set email, we will call set password. So we have stored the values. Okay, so now whenever we press the sign up button, so we should let's call class name. So we will add type submit. Whenever we press sign up button, we will call a function. So let's add on submit event here. Handle submit. Let's create this function. Const handle submit is equal to e.prevent default. Prevent default, it means to prevent the default submission. What we will do then, we will just now let's create try catch block. Okay, and we will register the user. Okay, async, this is a synchronous method with us. And here we will just, let's first of all import the let's first of all write the catch here. Error console.log error. Let's import now the app, okay, from Firebase file. Okay, import app from /Firebase. So we have imported the app from Firebase app component. Now let's use the app. Okay, app.auth, we will call the auth method, then dot we will call create user with email and password, and we will pass email and password to this method. So down from that, we will write console.log account created. Let's check it. Okay, first of all, we will check this, it is working or not. Let's move to the browser, and we will move to sign up, and let's move to the console also, what we get in the result. Let's write the email .com, and here I will write the password. Okay, after writing the password, let's press the sign up button. What is the response we got? App.auth is not a function. Okay, it means that app.auth is not a function. Let's fix this error. Okay, app.auth. So to solve the error, we will just import here get auth also. Okay, import get auth from Firebase /auth. So after importing this get auth also, okay, just come here, and here what we will do, we will use the auth. Okay, we will do something like this. Let's const auth is equal to get auth that we has imported this method, and we will assign app to this. Now we will export the auth. Now let's import this auth inside our sign up form. Okay, so this is auth. Let's change it to auth. And one another thing that we should import, that is import. We will import create user with email and password from Firebase/auth. Okay, from this Firebase. Okay, after importing this method, now let's use it. Okay, first of all, I will remove this. After removing this, so here I will add the auth right now. Auth/email and password. Now let's check it. Okay, Control S, save it. Now let's move to our page. Okay, so let's refresh it. No error. Let's add gmail.com, and here we will add the password 5. Let's press sign up button. See account created. Okay, so now let's check it. Okay, let's move to the Firebase, and here we come here to the authentication. Refresh it. The user has registered or not. Okay, we should see the users here. So let's refresh it. So the user has not added. So let's check it. Where is the error again? Okay, uncaught promise Firebase password should not be, yeah, password should be at least 6 character. Okay, let's make it 6. Okay, that was 1 to 5. Let's press this account created message as displayed because we didn't add the await keyword here. Okay, let's add await keyword. Let's save it, and now let's refresh it, and let's check it now. And let's press sign up button. So let's wait. See account created. Okay, now let's move and we will refresh it. So this is the account which has created. Okay, the new account. Now let's implement the login functionality. Okay, so just come here to the press login, and here first of all we will have the form of login. So we will copy this sign up form, Control A, Control C, because we would like to create the same form. Just we will change the name to login. Copy it and paste it here. We will have 2 fields and submit button here. Just instead of create user, we will use now sign in with email and password. We will use this method now. Sign in with email and password for login. Let's change this. Login successfully. And let's save it and just come here down. This is login, and don't have account. So here we will add register, and here sign up. We will move to sign up. Now let's import. We already imported the login. Let's check it now. Okay, so this is the login with us. Let's move to register. This is register. This is login. Okay, so now let's log in. Okay, what happened? Let's press sub gmail.com and then the password 6, and let's press this is login. Let's change the text of this button. Let's press login. So let's wait. See, login successfully. It means that we have logged in successfully. So if you would like to implement the logout functionality also, so for that you can simply just use the sign out function. Okay, as we used right now the sign in and create user method, so we can use the sign out method also. So it was all about how to register and login using React in Firebase. Okay, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and comment down. Thanks for watching.